some breaking and interesting news, friends. The new Tesla Megafactory broke ground in Lathrop, in California. The Megapack in the background of a team photo, as well as recent rumors, hint that the factory will be producing the very popular utility energy storage solution for Tesla. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage, and give us thumbs up for this video, please, if you find this report informative. Tesla has many products that are going in popularity. At the moment, the demand for the company's products significantly exceeds its production capacity. While the company is building 2 new factories for the production of electric vehicles, their components and batteries, the company's energy products are limited to the production from existing manufacturing capability. At the moment, the manufacturer has a huge delay in fulfilling orders for Tesla Megapacks. Therefore, it critically needs to expand its production. It seems that Tesla will change this in the near future soon, as it has now began building a new factory for Megapacks. In early September, if you remember, a Twitter user, Sawyer Merritt on Twitter, shared a rumor that Tesla might be building a new Megapack version 2 ramp-up plant near the existing warehouse distribution center in Lathrop, California. According to Sawyer Merritt, the new Megapacks would use prismatic LFP batteries. Merritt wrote, "Rumor, Tesla might be building a new factory to ramp production of larger version 2 Megapacks using cathodes prismatic LFP batteries near the existing warehouse distribution center in Lathrop, California." Now, this rumor is beginning to be confirmed. Instagram user 209 times has shared a photo of Tesla employees breaking ground on the new Tesla Megafactory. You can see the group lined up in that photo with shovels in front of a giant sign that says Tesla Megafactory in the background. This was shared on Twitter by the Tesla Club of San Joaquin Valley, which said that this took place in Lathrop and will be the new Megapack factory. Here's what they said: "Thank you, Elon Musk, for your continued support of San Joaquin Valley," he added in that tweet. I will have the link to that tweet in the description of this video so you can see the picture. Friends, this is great news for Tesla and its energy customers, as Megapacks are in high demand this day. Once Tesla is able to mass produce Megapacks at a faster clip, we could see Tesla Energy becoming just as successful as its automotive side. Now we know that Tesla has taken the first step to mass producing Megapacks by breaking ground on a new type of factory, a Megafactory. The manufacturer wasted no time, and for several weeks now, it has been actively recruiting employees for the new factory. The company's website hosts dozens of jobs in various categories, many of which are in the Tesla energy realm, in line with the rumored purpose of this new Tesla factory known as Megafactory. In parallel with this, Tesla invited the technical project manager Energy through its account at LinkedIn. The company indicated in the job description that it is looking for a highly motivated technical project leader to introduce a new product for the Lathrop factory. This person will be responsible for managing changes at the component level for the production lines and supporting the launch of Lathrop production for specific engineering systems. As described, this role requires strong mechanical and electrical engineering expertise to effectively manage a project from early prototypes to the launch of real production. Friends, this is while very exciting, and while Tesla has not made any official announcements, all indications are that the company is building a new factory to produce Megapacks and possibly other energy storage products. This is a smart move given the tremendous growth in demand. Now, how awesome is this? While other electric vehicle manufacturers are struggling to produce electric vehicles, Tesla is continuing to grow at all fronts. The Tesla Megapack, friends, is large scale rechargeable lithium ion battery stationary energy storage product intended for use at battery storage power stations manufactured by Tesla Energy, the clean energy subsidiary of Tesla Incorporated. Launched in 2019, each Megapack can store up to 3 megawatt hours of electricity in each container size slightly under the size of the ISO intermodal container. Designed to be deployed by utility companies, Megapacks can be used to store energy generated by intermittent renewable power sources such as solar and wind. The energy stored can be used by the grid as required, for example, during periods of peak electricity demand. This is why Megapacks are very important for Tesla and for the grid and for our electricity needs. Tesla Energy also offers smaller battery energy storage devices, the Powerwall intended for home use, and the Power Pack intended for use by businesses or on smaller power utility projects. Megapacks are designed to be used for large-scale energy storage. Tesla has stated that Megapacks could be used by utility companies to replace peaker power plants which generate extra energy during periods of peak demand. Megapacks are designed to store energy that can be later used during periods of surplus demand rather than a peaker power plant having to generate the energy in real time using coal or natural gas. It has been shown that grid battery storage can help to reduce power plant carbon dioxide emissions and unit costs of energy production. Friends, Tesla power packs continue to be used by utility companies to meet smaller scale grid energy storage requirements. For example, a 25 megawatt or 52 megawatt hour deployment of power packs began testing in November 2019 at the Lake Bonney wind farm in South Australia. Large-scale battery storage solutions such as the Megapack are becoming more economically viable for utility companies to implement due to the declining price of lithium-ion battery technology. Demand for energy storage is also increasing in some jurisdictions due to transition toward renewable energy sources. Because solar and wind energy sources are more intermittent than coal or natural gas or nuclear power, the electrical energy can be stored in order to fulfill peak period demand. Other energy storage solutions, such as pumped hydroelectric storage, continue to dominate the market. As of 2019, pumped hydroelectric storage accounted for 96% of global energy storage capacity. Pumped hydroelectric storage systems have relatively long lifetimes when compared to battery storage. Battery storage solutions such as the Megapack can be used in situations where a fast deployment is required because pumped hydro projects normally take longer to compete when compared to batteries. Tesla has previously used fast deployment as a selling point of its utility scale battery storage products. And now this news that Tesla is building a Megafactory, new factory in California in the United States. I don't know how many people will work there, but I assume maybe at least several hundred, if not thousands of people will work there. We'll keep our finger on the pulse of this new Tesla Megafactory news developments. So please subscribe to our channel, friends, so you know more as soon as they come, because those of you who follow our channel, they know that we report news within hours as they happen, about 5 stories every day. And so please let us know if you hear more about this in Megafactory. I'm expecting that Tesla will soon announce this officially. I don't know why Tesla has not yet announced, but everything is hinting toward that direction. In the meantime, this is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news, and also give us thumbs up for this report, please, if you find it informative. God bless you. See you soon. Peace be with all of you.